Here's another quick video on how to change the outer tie rod end. So pretty much the first step is to just loosen up this 16 millimeter, or 18, let me see, 18 millimeter nut right here, and then we're gonna take this off with one of these wrench slash whatever you want to call it. So this just pretty much fits in there, and then you want to turn it, you want to tighten it because the thread's right here. So if you loosen it, it will come out. If you tighten it, it will break loose from this outer tie rod. So you only want to loosen it up. You don't want to take it off because when you twist this, you don't want it to come off. When you twist it with this, you can use a wrench, whatever this is called, to do that. But I just had this easier in hand, and just had this, put it right here and then tighten it so towards the front of the car, and it should just come right off. I mean, it's gonna give you a hard time. So if you feel like you need more force, use a hammer and then just hit it on there, and we'll just crack it loose, and it should just really come off after it's been cracked loose from all the dirt and debris that's been stuck on there for about 10 years. And so the next step, after you take this bolt, after you crack that one loose, take out this bolt, and then it's to get this one unstuck from there. So most people tell you to hit it right here. Over the years, from over the many different cars that I've done tie rod ends on, that never works. It's much less efficient than just hitting it right here. So I'm not gonna use this outer tie rod end, so I'm replacing. The main reason that I'm taking it off is to replace it. So I'm just gonna hammer it out. So after a little bit of hammering it at the bottom end, it came off loose. As expected, 10 years of, again, I stated 10 years of debris and all that kind of stuff. So it's usual. And then this one should you can just loosen it out like that, and it should just come right out. So make sure that I've only done it a couple of turns, but it's not required. Just make sure to remember how many turns you have on there, so it's less work for the alignment, so it'll be more beneficial for your alignment until you get your alignment done. So if you're gonna go straight to the alignment shop after this, it's not needed for you, pretty much. So here's the old one, old tie rod end right here. All these kids in the background, but here's the old tie rod end, and here's the new one. And when you get the new one, make sure that it's almost the same, or it looks the same as the old. Make sure it looks the same, or it looks kind of the same, or just check it out that it's similar in size and stuff like that. All right. And it's the opposite. The install's opposite. Start tightening it back in. Then after you tighten it back in, put it in here. Start tightening it back in. After you tighten it back in, put it in here. Tighten this one. Tighten it to torque spec, and then this one just do it the opposite way, where you just loosen it up, which will tighten it.